Hello dear students, in this video we will solve this question. 100 centimeter cube of 10% hydrogen peroxide solution decomposes at 298 Kelvin to form water and oxygen. The dotted line represents the volume of oxygen produced, and we have to find the graph which represents the decomposition of an equal volume of 20% solution under the same conditions. So here this dotted graph is for the when, let's say, this is the reaction vessel and this is the 100 centimeter cube hydrogen peroxide solution, and now I am showing the hydrogen peroxide molecules. Let's say these are the hydrogen peroxide molecules. Now here in this case, equal volume, which means 100 centimeter cube. Now this is the vessel for the second case. Let's say this is also the 100 centimeter cube, because here the equal volume is written, which means this is also a 100 centimeter cube. But now the solution is 20%. 20% means the concentration of the solution increased from 10% to 20%, which means number of hydrogen peroxide molecules in the same volume increases. So you can see here, now the number of molecules of hydrogen peroxide increases, due to which the collisions per second increases, which we can say that frequency of collisions increases in this case, right, when the solution is 20%. Now due to the increased frequency of collisions, rate of reaction increases initially. So when we increase the concentration of reactant, initial rate of the reaction increases. Rate of reaction means the change in the reactants, in the amount of reactants per time. This is the rate of reaction. So here, number of oxygen molecules produced per second will increase, because we are saying that rate of reaction increases. So now this is the dotted graph for this one, and now for this case, rate of reaction increases, volume of the oxygen gas, which is the product, per second will increase. So now either this should be the reaction or this should be the reaction. So which means either A option or either B option. So next is that let's say here are 10 molecules of the hydrogen peroxide and here are 20 molecules, let's say. So now 10 molecules will produce, here 1 mole of hydrogen peroxide produces half mole of oxygen gas molecules, which means if 10 molecules are there, H2O2, 10 moles of H2O2 or 10 molecules of H2O2 will produce 5 molecules of oxygen, and when 20 molecules are there, then they will produce 10 oxygen molecules, which means the amount of oxygen produced becomes double, or we can say increases, or volume of oxygen gas produced will also increase. So here if we compare this dotted and B line, then here the amount of volume, the volume of oxygen gas according to the y-axis remains same, but according to our observation, volume of gas should increase. So this should be the answer, because here volume of oxygen gas increases. So answer should be A option. Let's check the mark scheme. Yes, A option is right. So this is how we can solve these types of questions. Thank you so much for watching. All the best. Take care.